New death penalty coil. Yeah. Those sexy ass tinsel leaves. Ugh. Well, I got some work to do. Gotta put these babies back in their baskets. Then I'll be on the road beating again, finally. It's been about 2.5 weeks riding around with no bass. Just mids and highs. I've had a few people pull me over. Hey man, what you got back there? Well, I ain't got shit right now. But yeah, in the future, it's about to get real loud. Real loud. Especially with my new box. Oh man. Ain't no other side. Ain't no other side. Yeah, alright.